Top 5 Best Morning Drinks for Diabetics, Lower Blood Sugar. If you want to quickly and successfully treat diabetes, you must drink these 5 drinks in the morning. In particular, the last drink seems simple but is the most effective with the recipe I will reveal at the end of the video. Surely you are too familiar with the saying, start the day with a glass of water. But, what kind of water? How to drink? What are the benefits? Not everyone knows and understands these things. Let me tell you, starting the day with a drink that not only helps replenish water but also plays an important role in regulating blood sugar can be an important first step for people with diabetes. Although we know that most of us only drink water when thirsty, don't be sad when I say that this is completely wrong. Change that habit of perception, your blood sugar health will improve up to 70%. Here is a list of the 5 most beneficial morning drinks for diabetics that help stabilize blood sugar and improve overall health. Number 1, lemon water, the most misunderstood drink. Why is it the most misunderstood? Simply because many people use too much sugar or sweeteners when combining it with lemon water. This is indeed a fatal mistake. Remember that when you are fighting diabetes, you need to limit refined sugar as much as possible. Agree that the glass of lemon water I am talking about below is a purely healthy and low-sugar drink. Imagine starting your day with a cool glass of lemon water in the morning. Not only does it quench your thirst, lemon water is also a little secret to effectively support blood sugar health. Lemon water is not just a popular drink, it provides a rich source of vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and the risk of inflammation, a common problem in people with diabetes. Moreover, research has shown that drinking lemon water before a meal containing starch can significantly reduce peak blood sugar levels, up to 24%. This means you are giving your body more time to adapt to the sugar intake, reducing the risk of sudden increases in blood sugar. No need for complicated recipes, just squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or cold water, stir gently and you have a drink that is both nutritious and easy to make. Drinking this glass of lemon water on an empty stomach, before meals, will help you make the most of the blood sugar control benefits of lemon. In addition to supporting blood sugar, lemon water also helps increase metabolism and aid digestion, making each meal easier on the body. You can add a little mint or a few slices of ginger to make this drink more attractive, while adding more natural nutrients. If you are worried about the acidity, rest assured, lemon water can be adjusted flexibly. Just add more water if you want a mild taste, or a little honey for people who do not have high blood sugar to increase the deliciousness. The most important thing to remember is, don't let your taste buds fool you. You should stop using refined sugar in lemon juice if you don't want your efforts to be in vain. Number 2, black coffee, a wake-up cup of coffee for diabetics. I understand that coffee is a popular drink and sometimes indispensable in the morning. But there are still some concerns about coffee bringing unpredictable complications to diabetics. This is not necessarily wrong, but let me confirm with you that there needs to be a proper way to use coffee. It is especially important to understand the benefits that coffee brings in a reasonable dose. Who says diabetics cannot enjoy a cup of coffee every morning? With black coffee, you not only start the day awake but also receive countless health benefits, especially in controlling blood sugar. Black coffee, when not added sugar or cream, is considered a great choice thanks to its high antioxidant content, notably chlorogenic acid. This active ingredient not only helps improve insulin sensitivity but also helps reduce the risk of sudden increases in blood sugar after meals. In addition, caffeine in coffee is a powerful assistant in increasing metabolism and reducing unnecessary cravings, a problem that many diabetics encounter. There are many types of coffee, but perhaps you should consider your body's adaptability and especially your taste, to turn a cup of coffee into a drink that speaks to you. Because of these great uses, coffee is often listed in healthy eating menus and sometimes even in the treatment of diabetes. But do you know how to enjoy black coffee in a way that is both delicious and healthy? It's very simple: brew pure coffee, avoid adding sugar or cream. But don't worry if you find the coffee a bit bitter. With a little creativity, you can make your cup of coffee more appealing. For example, try sprinkling a pinch of cinnamon, both to increase the aroma and to help control blood sugar. Or, if you want a light, creamy taste, add a little unsweetened almond milk, a healthy choice. But don't overdo it. 1 or 2 cups a day is ideal, enough to enjoy the benefits without worrying about the side effects of excessive caffeine consumption. Also, remember to drink coffee with or after breakfast so that your body doesn't get irritated on an empty stomach. Number 3, chia seed water. A drink with tiny seeds but brings huge benefits. With small chia seeds but full of nutrients, this drink not only provides many health benefits but also helps you control blood sugar levels easily. Chia seeds, when soaked in water, will expand and form a gel layer, helping to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, thereby minimizing the sudden increase in blood sugar after eating. One of the strengths of chia seeds is the ability to maintain a feeling of fullness for a long time, thanks to the high amount of soluble fiber. This fiber not only helps your digestive system work effectively but also helps control cravings. This is extremely important for people with diabetes, when maintaining a stable body weight and limiting snacking habits can help improve overall health. In addition, chia seeds are also an excellent source of essential nutrients such as omega-3, healthy fats, protein and minerals such as calcium, magnesium and iron. These ingredients not only help you maintain cardiovascular health but also support the stable functioning of the nervous system and muscles. Therefore, using chia seed water not only helps stabilize blood sugar but also brings long-term benefits to overall health. To make a glass of chia seed water, you just need to follow a few simple steps. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to 250 milliliters of water, stir well and let stand for about 10 minutes. After the chia seeds expand and form a gel, you can add a little lemon juice to add a refreshing taste, or add a few slices of cinnamon to create a strong aroma and add more benefits from cinnamon, helping to regulate blood sugar effectively. The ideal time to drink chia seed water is before or between meals. This helps you control blood sugar, while keeping your body from losing energy too quickly. In addition, chia seed water also helps you maintain the necessary amount of water for the body, supporting metabolism and detoxification. Number 4, apple cider vinegar. A gift from nature that carries the DNA to fight diabetes. Apple cider vinegar, an easy-to-find and familiar ingredient in the kitchen, is not only a spice that adds flavor to dishes but also a drink that is especially beneficial for people with diabetes. With the main ingredient being acetic acid, apple cider vinegar helps regulate starches in food, thereby reducing the increase in blood sugar after meals. This is an important benefit for people with diabetes, as controlling blood sugar levels after meals is a key factor in maintaining long-term health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar works by slowing down the digestion of starches, helping to reduce the absorption of sugar from food into the blood. This helps to avoid a sudden increase in blood sugar after eating, a common problem for people with diabetes. Moreover, a recent study shows that apple cider vinegar also has the ability to improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body process blood sugar more effectively. In addition to regulating blood sugar, apple cider vinegar also brings many other health benefits. It can help support the digestive process, reduce bloating, and promote weight loss thanks to its ability to increase satiety. Apple cider vinegar also has antibacterial properties, helps cleanse the body and supports liver function, helping to effectively eliminate toxins. To create a nutritious glass of apple cider vinegar, you just need to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into 250 milliliters of cold water. You can adjust the amount of vinegar to taste, but remember not to use too much because of the strong acidity of vinegar. To make apple cider vinegar more attractive and nutritious, try adding a little lemon juice or cinnamon to enhance the flavor and better support blood sugar stabilization. Cinnamon, with its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, will be a great combination with apple cider vinegar. Drinking apple cider vinegar in the morning or before main meals will be most effective in reducing blood sugar levels after meals. Apple cider vinegar may be unfamiliar to many people, but this drink may make you different from 70% of other diabetics. Especially when you are tired of the sour taste of lemon juice or do not like black coffee, then a juice-flavored drink like this is not great. Number 5, green tea, and this is the drink that decides the success or failure in the fight against diabetes. It is no coincidence that this type of tea has been used by our ancestors from faraway Asia for hundreds to thousands of years. Especially when the human body becomes barren, the health defense mechanisms weaken, green tea appears as a guard to protect the body from being invaded by the risks of diabetes. Green tea is not only famous for its mild flavor but is also known as a superstar in maintaining health, especially for people with diabetes. Containing an abundant amount of EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, green tea has been studied and proven to improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body use insulin more effectively and control blood sugar better. Therefore, green tea becomes a great choice for people dealing with diabetes. A notable study found that people who drank 6 or more cups of green tea a day had a 33% lower risk of diabetes than those who did not. This is due to the powerful antioxidant properties of EGCG, which helps reduce inflammation and protect cells in the body. In addition, green tea also has the ability to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates from food, helping to prevent a sudden spike in blood sugar after meals. Green tea is also beneficial for heart health, supporting belly fat loss and balancing cholesterol levels, an important factor in reducing the risk of diabetic complications. Research also shows that green tea helps reduce inflammation indicators in the body, a risk factor for many chronic diseases, including diabetes. You just need to steep the tea in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes to ensure that all the EGCG is released. Green tea can be drunk hot or cold depending on your preference. If you want to add more flavor, you can add a slice of lemon or a little honey. However, to keep your blood sugar stable, you should limit the use of honey or any type of sugar. Ideally, you should drink green tea in the morning or before meals to help stabilize blood sugar throughout the day. Maintaining this habit every day will greatly assist in preventing and controlling diabetes. This drink may not be to everyone's taste at first, but its deliciousness is also proportional to what it brings to your health. The more you enjoy it, the more delicious it is, the more you drink, the healthier you are. So we have gone through 5 types of drinks in the morning that I believe everyone needs to know if they want to fight diabetes. Hopefully you have really listened and found a suitable drink for yourself. Drinks sometimes say a person's personality, and especially the morning drink may even decide your own destiny. Do you want to be happy and healthy or continue to worry about complications from diabetes? It all depends on you and what you consume every day.